Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G White Underwater LED Pool Light 120 volt, 400 watt equivalent 100 foot cord. IntelliBrite 5G White LED pool lights provide the most energy efficient lighting. They use 86% less electricity than incandescent and halogen pool lights. Superior lens geometry and exclusive reflector design combine to create a wider beam and more uniform light distribution. Pool lens can be rotated to 180 degrees to provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern. Available in 120 volt and 400 watt equivalency, it includes 100 feet cord. Features: energy efficient, superior lens geometry and reflector design, compatible with Pentair stainless steel and plastic niches, 120 volt 400 watt equivalent. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.